Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is the ideal fusion of performance, luxury, and usefulness. External from the outside, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome will appear opulent and durable thanks to its bold and unique design. Some of the distinctive Brabus design elements that could be used include the Aerodynamic Body Kit, which features aggressive front and rear bumper designs with integrated splitters and diffusers, streamlined side skirts, and the option to add a rear spoiler for increased stability and a sporty appearance. Large alloy wheels with a distinctive Brabus design that exudes luxury and vitality are called Brabus Monoblock Wheels. There will probably be a range of sizes and styles available. Advanced LED lighting, headlights, and taillights that utilize the latest developments in LED technology, such as adjustable illumination and recognizable daytime running lights (DRL). Unique paint finishes, a selection of high-end hues with matte or metallic accents, along with the ability to alter the color to the customer's favorite shade. Privacy windows, tinted glass to protect passengers' privacy. Interior, maximum luxuriance and optimal use. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome's interior welcomes you with exquisite materials that have been meticulously crafted, high-quality materials. The dashboard, door panels, and seats are all made of soft, long-lasting Alcantara and Brabus Mastik leather. Luxury kitchen, a small kitchen furnished with top-of-the-line appliances such as an induction cooktop, a microwave, a convection oven, a refrigerator and freezer that are precisely the right size, and a sink with a contemporary faucet. High-speed Wi-Fi access is necessary to guarantee internet connectivity while traveling. Numerous entertainment and automotive features, such as a top-tier music system with exceptional sound quality. Smartphone compatibility, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Technology and performance, sturdy engine. Brabus might have improved the Mercedes-Benz diesel engine to generate additional power and torque.